So hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I'm going to take the Exmark Commercial 21 inch push mower and I'm going to put the mulch plug in it and use it for the very first time. I'm going to see how it does on some of these client properties in mulching application. Previous to using this mower, I've used a Honda HRC 216 commercial mower in my lawn care business, and that mower uses a twin stacked blade system for mulching. Now this Exmark Commercial 21 only uses a single blade for mulching, so I'm really curious, number one, on how the single blade does for mulching, and number two, how the Kawasaki engine does versus the Honda engine in mulching applications. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see the mower here, I'm going to remove the bag kit on here. I'm going to put the mulch plug in it. You can tell this lawn is really lush and thick, so we'll see how it does. guys using the Exmark Commercial 21-inch mower in mulching applications. So as you can see, through most of the lawn, it did totally fine. You know, a single pass was all it needed, and it left no real visible clippings. But in areas where the lawn was a lot thicker, in that sort of 6 to 8 inch tall range, and it was really green and thick and lush, you could hear the motor bog down. I had to really slow down in those areas, and with those spots I had to double cut to get rid of any visible clippings left behind by the mower. But overall, really impressed with it, and it did a really great job for just a single bladed mulching mower. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you use the Exmark Commercial 21-inch push mower for mulching in your lawn care business, and overall how it does. So if you like this type of Exmark product video, I'll leave another one for you to watch up here in this corner, or I'll leave one of my other videos for you to watch up here in this corner. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.